All right. Question number 2. Hopefully you've had a chance to try it again already and you're just kind of checking your work here. So this is transformation. So we don't actually know what the function is. We just know that this is what the graph looks like. And then this is just saying if you times the whole thing by -1, what would happen? All right. And so it's either going to flip over the x or the y axis. But luckily, we don't have to even remember that here. I think -1 in the front, if you do the whole thing times -1, it flips over the x. But either way, it's going to look the same. So what's going to happen is this part's going to get flipped down here, and this part's going to get flipped up here. So we're just looking for the one that kind of has the same two asymptotes, but just is flipped around. So I think actually F looks pretty good here. This one's missing a part. This one got moved all over the place. This one's no good. This one's missing a part too. So it's just letter F here. And if you had forgot which axis again, it actually wouldn't have mattered here because if you flipped over the y-axis part, it would end up looking kind of the same shape. So answer F is our best choice here.